Hey there, y'all. It's Melanie Ferguson here with Southern Crush at Home, where I hope to inspire you guys to create and decorate a home that you love. And tonight I'm hopping on out back. I'm in my backyard, right off my back porch. I have a quick project I wanted to knock out while there was still a teensy bit of daylight. It's really a beautiful, gorgeous sunset. Like I said, we kind of live in the country, but we kind of don't. So it's pretty. We have really pretty sunsets. You can also maybe hear my fountain at the pool if you're if you listen really carefully. I don't know what you can see, y'all. It might be a big blur, but there's a pool right there and a fountain. But that's my back. You probably can't see that much. But yeah, we are out here. We're going to do a quick project. I wanted to bring you guys in and include you. Good evening, Margie and Gracie. You guys are new, I think, to the page. I'm going to put this down somewhere. As you hop on, say hey. Let me know where you're watching from tonight. Hi there, Beverly. I see you. Don't forget that all the videos for the month of October, if you sprinkle them, then you'll be entered to win one of my mummy bags. They're really cute Halloween bags for every single video. So I did a video this afternoon at Target. That's fancy for Target. And someone from that video will be getting a mummy bag. And then someone from this video will. Oh, thank you, Patty. It is a gorgeous background. It really, really is. Hey, Shar, how are you? All right, so let's get started on this project, y'all. Okay, so if you have a pool, you most likely have one of these I call it a pool bucket, but it's really a chest, well, you'll see it, but it's a pool chest. Anyway, they're made of like a plasticky material, and ours got really roughed up. It got really rusty and nasty and everything. So I've been waiting forever to do this project, and it's finally cool enough outside to do it. I'm losing daylight, so I'm gonna try to do it quickly, but we're gonna chalk paint it, and then tomorrow we're gonna come back and do the finishing touches. So I can't decide whether or not I'm going to add a buffalo check to it, or if I'm going to add it's called a something stripe, like a baker's stripe. I don't remember what it's called, but you guys might know. Thank you, Kim. Thank you. All right. Thank you, Leanne. I'm going to flip this. I'm not going to flip anything. I'm just going to get this closer to the project so that you guys can see what we're going to be working on. And so don't laugh, y'all. I had some leftover paint from some other projects, and so I'm using it, but it's the very tail end of it, so I needed to stir it, so I grabbed a stick from the yard, y'all. That's how I roll. So this older paint, totally just using it on this project, and I used a stick from the yard for the paint stirrer. Sorry. Short on words. Thank you, Brianna. Thank you, Sandra. Appreciate you. All right, so here we go. I am going to just use a little chip brush and this old paint and my stir stick from the yard and flip this so that you guys can see the actual project. So this is the chest, and you can see it's kind of really stained right here and just all around. So I'm gonna just slap this paint on, y'all. You really can't mess it up. And this is pretty darn close to the color of my piece here. So I'm pretty excited about that. Again, just getting it on here. And it's chalk paint, y'all, so it's going to adhere. That's the beauty of using chalk paint, is it will adhere to just about any surface. All I did to prep this, y'all, was use a little bit of water on a paper towel because it was really dirty. So I spoke too soon this morning, y'all, when I said it was mild and that brought, you know, the cooler temperatures, got rid of the mosquitoes. It didn't, y'all. I'm trying to beat the mosquitoes out here tonight because there's mosquitoes. Oh, thank you, Kim. Thank you, Leanne. You guys are sweet. Yeah, I needed to cover up the stain mess on here because it's bad. And I'm literally just getting it back to its original color. No, Sue, I don't think I'm gonna seal it. It's a little bit under a ledge. You can't really see above me, but it's a little bit under a ledge, and so it doesn't get too wet. These, I don't really know what the rust stains are from. Probably my hubby leaving stuff on top here and getting it messed up. I'm just gonna blame him because he's not here to say otherwise. All right, so this is almost done. I've got 1/2 almost done. And you guys need to vote. Sorry, my face is right in the project, or right in the camera. You guys need to vote whether or not I should finish this tomorrow with a buffalo check pattern or it's called a grain sack. It's called a grain sack. That's what it is. I'm remembering now. It's a grain sack. So really, this is something you can do on anything that you have that's outside that you thought about just getting rid of, because I did think about just getting rid of it, but instead I'm sitting here trying to save it. All right, this particular paint is a little old, so it's a little thick. I should have watered it down a little bit actually, but it's doing the job. Can you even see? Let me show you. What is grain sack? So grain sack is a cute pinstripe that usually has like a fat stripe in the center and then 2 skinny stripes on either side of it. Tell me y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all can probably hear the highway next to me. There's that too. That's why I don't say we're out in the country, because we're literally off the thoroughfare. Okay, so for those of you who missed the video this afternoon, I was in Target. I was at the dollar spot, and they didn't have a whole lot today. And I don't know, does this ever happen to y'all? I found like so many cute things that I ended up with, and then I got home and got it to my list, and half my list I didn't get. So I have to go back tomorrow. Not to Target. I'm gonna take y'all some other places though. So y'all make sure to turn on your notifications if you haven't already, so you don't miss any shopping trips. They are fun. Hopefully for everyone involved. I know they are for me. All right, so this is looking good, y'all. This is almost fixed. Also, if you're not yet on my email list, get on my email list. I think everyone here that's on it can let you know. I don't spam you with a lot of emails. I don't send out hardly any. Probably at least once a week I try to get you something of value so that you have it. But anyway, you can just go to southerncrushathome.com/subscribe, and that'll get you straight to the subscription page. All right, y'all, I'm at the end of this. Can you see? Is it too dark? I'm gonna take the camera off and get you really close to the stains so that you can see exactly what I'm covering up. Hang tight. All right, I'm gonna do it this way. Can you see the stains? Give me some hearts if you can see the stains. I can't see what I'm showing you because I didn't flip the camera around. Oh, sorry, it went away. Y'all can see the pretty sunset while I get this last piece on. I'm trying to save the little part that has, I'm gonna flip it around. That'll work. I'm saving the little part that has the name on it, so it doesn't look like I completely covered it, caked it with paint. All right, I'm to the last part, y'all. This is it, and then this is gonna dry overnight. Well, y'all decide. Can you see some of the stains? There's a little rust stain right there. There's a little bit over here. It was completely covered, y'all. It was completely covered with stains. We are literally just slapping this paint on. A nice coat so that it is covered for the night. I'm trying to work kind of quickly, y'all, because there was a snake out here the other day and my hubby got it for me, but I mean, he didn't get it like kill it. He's really not that kind of person. I'm like, kill it. He's like, absolutely not. And so I'm just trying to make sure I finish this unscathed in the dark, because I'm almost in the dark now. All right, y'all, this is it. Can y'all see? Ah, I keep feeling things on the ground. Can y'all see? Let me, so this is the pool case. That was the top that we just repainted. There's my stick in the paint jar. There's my Halloween flag. Let me turn up the light. There we go. Now she's shiny. So there it is. I should have showed you closer up before, but trust me, it was nasty. I've got one coat of paint on here. That's all it's gonna take. And then we're gonna decide tomorrow if it's gonna get buffalo check on top right here in this squared off part, or if it's just gonna get the grain sack stripe down the front. I'm leaning towards the buffalo check, y'all. Yes, Kelly, I think so too. Here, let me show y'all last time to see the sunset. Here we go. Isn't it beautiful? It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. All right. Ah, and there I am, totally blown up from the light. There's the sunset again. Let me turn down the light. All right, so if you get a chance and want to sprinkle the video, don't forget that I am giving away the cool mummy bags to one lucky person on every single video for the month of October. So be sure to turn your notifications so that you get the notification that we're going to do a video live. And then, yeah, like I said, if you haven't already, be sure to hop over and subscribe. But I appreciate y'all. And listen, my decorating group, we opened it up so it's free now. So if you want to join over there, it's free. Just hop over there. It's the group at the top that's connected to the page. There's a business group and then there's a DIY decorating group. Just hop over there and join, and you can post your projects. That's where we're posting things. And we have a community of crafters over there, so hop over and do that too. See y'all later. Y'all have a good night. Bye.